Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion shoulder sway to sway. You need to know how to do an accordion already. You need to know how to do a shoulder sway to sway already. And then basically what you're doing is you're starting an accordion, doing a shoulder sway to sway, getting back to an accordion. So all the bits that were normally one-handed become two-handed. Putting that together, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard accordion. We go semicircle back off at the left, return, send the lady out to the right. When we do the turn, sending the lady out to the left, we don't want to get the lady past us, so we want to be more in line. And that's just so that we can lead the lady forwards and into a shoulder sway. From the shoulder sway position, we sway the lady back, we sway the lady forwards, we send the lady out, left hand up, right hand low. Imagine you're doing a shoulder sway to sway, but with the other hand as well. So the right goes through low, the left stays over the guy. As we're going back, the left is going low, the right is coming up, we head back. As we're wrapping the lady into the sway, we release the left hand and recollect the other side. Then we do the sway, send the lady out, raise the left, keeping the right low, so we're back in an accordion. And you could do some other accordion move at this point, but we're just going to do the return back to cross-handed grip. So let's do that from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back and offer 1, return 2, and look 3. Turn 4, and look 5. Wrap to the sway 6, going back 7, forwards 8, out 1, down low 2, over the top 3, wrap 4, sway 5, forward 6, away 7, and look 8, return 1, and back 2. Let's try it together. Here we go. Right to right, accordion, shoulder sway to sway. We go offer, return, look, turn, look to the shoulder, backwards, forwards, away, down, low, up, high, and wrap. Backwards, forwards, away, look, return, and back. That's the whole thing. Hope you find that one useful out on the dance floor and find some people to enjoy with. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Big thank you to everyone who does that because that helps support the channel. And of course it means if you've got notifications turned on, then you'll never miss a new video when it comes out because you'll get told. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.